So what do you guys think? Is Meta stock still worth the hype? I mean, do you think this particular business, this company is going to be well entrenched in the AI hype? I mean, when you look at the chart, it definitely looks as if the market is not bearish. I mean, a lot of stocks has drifted lower in price, but you can see that Meta has been maintaining its weight. Why would that be the case? It's because more people value this stock right now. That's all. And we've been in this idea of looking for Meta to go higher ever since July 26th, 27th of this year. I did an update on September the 4th, didn't change my price prediction. The market currently, since September the 4th, is still hovering around that same price level. Okay, so I wanted to come in and talk about, are we still going to see the market in Meta trade within this trading channel or not? Let's look at the market in Meta on a weekly chart first. Try to get a more aerial view of the price action. Look at this. I would tell you here on these weekly price bars that this arrows pointing up to definitely represents selling. Okay, so there's some institutions in the market in Meta right now selling their positions. Okay, now when that happens, you would expect the market to begin to go lower in price. But can you honestly say that Meta has reflected weakness? Is the market really going lower in price off of all of those weekly price bars to where the market closes off the highs? No, it's not. Someone is in the market in Meta purchasing whoever is selling out their positions right now. Here's Meta on the monthly chart. It was a wash for the month of September. Neither the bulls nor buyers, neither the bulls or bears have won out or dominated the other for the whole month of September. We opened at one level and we closed at that same level. So it's kind of like a wash. So we have to look at the prior 2 months to see, okay, which of the teams is winning. Bears kind of hit the market there in August, but the bulls came through at $278 and moved the market up there in the mid bar. Bulls definitely won in July. So who has the edge? Is it the sellers or the buyers? In my opinion, it looks like the buyers have a slight edge, just a slight edge. I'm not saying that this market is drastically bullish, because it's definitely not. Because I do recognize that sellers are definitely trying to hit this market down in Meta. Okay, that's the 5-day time frame. So in the next 8 hours to 49 minutes, yes, they're selling here. But if the market closed higher than the previous 5 days, like I said earlier, the buyers has a slight edge. That's it. And that could quickly diminish, especially as we go over the next 5 days. Here it is on the 3-day chart. Okay. You guys can kind of see off the 3-day time frame where the sellers is hitting the market. They're hitting it right there around like 309, 310. So again, be careful. Two-day time frame. These bars right here on the 2-day chart, it's what's keeping me from getting rid of this price prediction. This one, and then this one. Those 3 2-day price bars is telling me that those buyers are still in the market trying to move this market up in Meta. But I'm very careful because I can definitely see these sellers though. So we're not out the woods yet. It's pretty much what I'm saying. There's still a chance that those sellers can push this price down in Meta. And I might have to come back and do another idea looking for the price to go lower, because those buyers just may be overwhelmed with trying to hold this market up in Meta. And once they leave, then the market definitely will go down. Okay. Another thing I want to show you before I go. We don't want that to continue. Okay, so I'm going to put that there, because if this market in Meta continues to trend along this descending line, then I need to come back sooner rather than later and anticipate that this market is going to continue to go lower. Okay, so seeing how we're currently in a slight idea of profit, it wouldn't be a bad idea to take some of that off. 0.82%. Just saying, because I just recognize that this market is trending down. But I'm not going to change it yet. Okay. We're going to continue to anticipate the market in Meta to continue to at least go higher. I would recommend you guys go back and check out my video because I'm not sure where my targets are at within this price prediction, because we may just see the market run back up a little bit slightly lower than 320 and then begin this descension. So that's it. Go ahead and give me your thoughts about what you guys think about Meta real quick, and we'll see what the market has in store. All right, so I'm finished. Hit me up. While you do that, make sure you subscribe to the channel because it's on the spot location that you're going to get an idea as to what we see off the charts, as to where price is going to go without any confusion. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.